We'll start with ILLR. This is
All right.
actually one that's already moved here today. Already moved here this week. Now, we didn't have any news on this that's fresh, but the stock moved 300% yesterday. It's up another 76% here today. I'm just going to quickly go through the short interest, and then I'm going to have 13 cover the chart. 8.6% of the float shorted, 1 day to cover. Reminder that the float here is just under 16 million. Our threshold for low float is 20 million and less. So this is still technically low float. On average, it trades 3.8 million shares, done 16 million here today. So it's already over. And this is Triller Group. What do you got on this one? What do you think here?
Yeah, this one we were taking a look at yesterday as the market was opening. This is moving on news that its subsidiary is acquiring SpaceX shares for a treasury position. But the company itself, ILLR, I mean, it's not the greatest. It has some revenue, but it's got a little bit of cash, loses a ton of money. They just went through a 1-for-10 reverse split. Call me crazy, but I think that this could, do some kind of capital raise here, as it looks like they're going to need it. Now, I don't know what else they've got going on under the hood, but that's just what it seems like to me. They're going to need to raise cash in some capacity because they burned through it quite a bit. 15.8 million shares, very low float. It's about the size that we usually see here. As far as the chart goes, this, as you said, was taken off yesterday morning. We hit a high up towards the 540 area. Didn't quite make it, but that's almost where we went to. Didn't see that price again until we opened in the pre-market this morning. That took us up to 720. Leaked down to that high ever since. So now we've tested that area where the price was kind of topping out at yesterday. That's support. Getting a turnaround here going into the pre-market. The question is, do we go much higher than the VWAP? I don't know. This is now the second day that we're trading on the same news. I don't know that we're going to necessarily have the same kind of movement, but being that it is low float, you could see that crazy, pushing around of this. I really can't say how much higher this will go, but if this does go beyond 720, which is the high from pre-market, I do have levels going all the way up to it looks like 835.
Okay, and I think downside here, I've got 458 marked out. That was near a intraday high yesterday. It was also a pre-market support level. That level seems important here today.
Yep.